Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be discussing what happens when you block someone on Instagram, and this applies for Facebook as well. Obviously, Facebook owns Instagram, so the process is identical. So what happens is when you block someone, and I'll make a separate video about actually how to block someone, but you guys are watching this video because you're curious what happens after you block them. Well, the first most important thing is going to be that obviously they won't be able to see any of your photos, no matter if you're public or private, and they will not be able to search. You just will literally disappear. If they look in the search bar right here, and they come up and they hit in the search bar and they search for your name, you will not appear. It will be like as if you deleted your account. So you will not show up at all because you have blocked their username. Obviously, they can make up another account and find you that way. But if you have a stalker or whatnot, just make your account private. And also, when you block them, you will not be able to find them as well, or see any of their photos or comments or likes or anything like that. Let's say it's an ex-girlfriend, you block them, you won't be able to see their profile and they will not be able to see your profile. You can re-see their profile if you unblock them, but they will be able to see yours as well if you unblock them. A next very important note to say is that when you do block them, this is on Facebook and Instagram as well, the person you're blocking will not, I repeat, will not receive a notification saying that you've obviously blocked them, because obviously you don't want to have more headache. And so they've taken a sniper approach to it where, let's say I block, let's just say right here, Casey Neistat. Let's say I block Casey Neistat. He will not receive any notification that I've blocked him. And if he tries to see my profile, he won't be able to search for it. It's almost like I disappeared. Same thing, after I block him, I won't be able to search him at all until I unblock him to be able to see his profile. And also, on a side note, they will not be able to see your stories either, and you will not be able to see their stories either. Hopefully the video has helped you guys. I'll link Instagram's direct link for this in the description box below if you guys want to read more about it. Have a great day, and stay tuned for my how to block someone video. Take care. Bye-bye.